Because in this time everyone wants to become an educated person or a success person, but I think they are not patience for anything, because people think about that the sooner that they get want to get everything. But I think it's possible to be patient if we are become an educated person. But I think we are not a patience for this, so we cannot do anything. Because I saw some people and I hear from my parents, teachers and all people. So if someone can't get anything and they try for the first time, and that time if maybe he is a fail in this, so that time he thinks he has nothing and her life is end for anything. So that time we have to need a lot of patience, because if we fail anything in the first time, so it's not right. Our life is end and we cannot do anything. If we have a patience, so that time we understand properly. It's okay if we are a fail first time, maybe we are fail next time and next time, but it's possible one time we can do anything. And if we are not patient, so I think it's not possible to achieve anything and take responsibility for anything. Because it's right to do hard work for our goals, but also we have to keep patience, and it's necessary for anything, because we live in our families. And I saw some people who have belongs to poor families, middle class families, so they also think he become educated and the success in earlier in their life. But he are not patience. They always think how to earn a lot of money by the easier way, and as soon as their life. But I think it's not right if we are do anything that is not right for everyone. So that time, after some time, we realize it's not right for us, and that time we cannot do anything. So it's necessary for everyone to keep patience in our life. Like I saw many teachers like Miraj sir, so I think he has a lot of patience. So he know how to. If he always behave as if he has no problem, because he know how to solve this problem. So I think it's necessary for everyone to keep patience. Because if we have a keep patience, so that time we understand properly how to solve our problems. And if we are not a patient, so we cannot understand anything properly, and maybe we can take wrong decision for us, for our life and other people. So I think it's necessary for everyone, and it's must to understand my life and that time. So I am also include this, because I am not patient for anything, and I want to improve my patience. So it's all about it. Anything properly about anything, so I think it's maybe it's affect a bit of us, because if we think about something, I think in that time we can only imagine in this, we cannot see in the real. If we think in the small thing, it's overthinking is right, but it's not always right, because sometimes I saw some people who is always overthinking about the things, they can only imagine real life, they cannot. They think it's maybe real as sooner as, but I think it's not possible to be sooner. Because if we are not patient, then not patient, if you do hard work, not patient, so maybe we can do and try first time and we fail. So that time we feel depressed, because we have think a lot of things about in our imaginary life. So I think it's bad that time, because it's most necessary to understand this. If we try something, maybe it's right, it's fail, and we can do it.
But I saw many people who make patience in their